Hey, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Well, this is not a usual video because I'm going to be looking at lesson number 24. And there I'm doing to look at it is I'm going to edit the lesson as we progress. But you can always send me a chat on the chat box. You can also just talk to me and let me know what's going on. So I know that we've not been consistent the past 2 weeks. It's because we've been busy. Summer has come with a lot of things. So we are doing a lot of stuff outside of YouTube. And that's why we are there. So please let me know. If you have questions, please put them on the chat box. We shall be able to answer them. Okay. I'm just receiving news that the WHO has declared monkeypox to be a global health emergency. With cases already in dozens of countries, many experts had urged further action. That's not good. So let's move on to lesson number 24, which is I lost my wallet. And in Luo, you say alalo kibeti na. Okay. I still do not have the words, so I'm just going to go through the words on the other video. And the other video says, I have to type it out, so if I'm too slow, please bear with me. Hey, how's the going? Not good. I lost my wallet. So that's the opening statement. Hey, how's it going? It can be Oya ore idinade. Ok adhi maber nikech alalo kabetina. Ok adhi maber nikech alalo kabetina. Oyaore. Idhi nade? Ok adhi maber nikech alalo kabetina. So what can be happening next? You'll say, oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen? Oh, mano rach manade? Ne okwale? Oh, mano rach manade? Ne okwale? Then he's like, nah, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi. So you can say, oh, yo. Aparo ni ne owuok e ofuka seche mane aidho taxi. Now, taxi is as a new word, and I don't think we have changed the name of taxi or the meaning. So when you say taxi, it will be acceptable. Oyo aparo ni ne owuok e ofuka eseche mane aidho taxi kata eseche mane aidho nyamburko. Eseche mane aidho nyamburko. Okay. Then what is the next thing that we'll say? Say and if you're watching, please send me a message, because today I'm not doing the usual videos. I'll be a little slower. I'm just editing the video that I should have done today. I was so busy over the week, I could not do anything. So that is a problem. So I'm just editing the video. If you want, you can stick around and just see how I edit and how I put in the words. If not, just send your how you call it? Is there anything I can do? Can I borrow some money? Be nitiere gimoro amora ma anyalo timoni? So be nitiere gimoro amora ma anyalo timoni? Be inyalo konya kod pesa? Abiro duoko. Of course, duoko can be U or W, it is still the same thing. So be inyalo konya kod pesa? Abiro duoko. See, the other thing just changes my stuff without my consent. Huh? And what does he say? The guy says, input is 0.75. It goes faster. He says, sure, how much do you need? So he says, so this is how I usually edit my stuff. I have to, I first do a lot of slides. Then I have to do the English version. Then I have to do the Luo version. And I've done that for so many years. So I'm really used to it. Sure, how much do you need? Hey. Inyalo duaro pesa marom nade? Manyalo romo siling piero abich. Inyalo dwaro pesa marom nade? Hey, inyalo dwaro pesa marom nade? Manyalo romo siling piero abich. Kama. About will be kama. Manyalo romo siling piero abich. Kama. Okay? And what does he say? And he says, and I have to skip this. Says, that's no problem. And the answer is thanks. I'll pay you back. Mano ok tek. Then I'll pay you back on Friday. Abiro chuli chieng tich abich. Abiro chuli chieng tich abich. So that's no problem. Translate to mano ok tek or onge tabu. Then abiro chuli chieng tich abich. And what does it say? It says that will be fine. Here you are. If you're joining me, please type a message on the chat box just so I know you're there and just say hi. That will be fine. Here you are. Mano biro bedo maber. Eri make. Here you are, eri make. Then we say, what are you going to do now? Koro idhi timo ango. Sani. Koro idhi timo ango sani. What are you going to do now? Koro idhi timo ango sani. And what will he say? He will say, because now he has to respond. This is a conversation. He will say that I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station. I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station. Then this one will say, if you wait a minute, I can go with you. So you will say, adhi nyiewo buge bang'e to adhi olo mafuta. So gas station is called kar olo mafuta. So adhi nyiewo buge bang'e to adhi olo mafuta. So if you wait a minute, I'll go with you. Ka inyalo rito dakika achiel to anyalo dhi kodi. Ka inyalo rito dakika achiel to anyalo dhi kodi. Adhi nyiewo buge bang'e to adhi olo mafuta. Ka inyalo rito dakika achiel to anyalo dhi kodi. So then he will say, I will wait for you. The response should be, I will wait for you. Abiro riti. Abiro riti. So that's the end or giko. At least if you've not had anything of this series, end and beginning should be some of the things that you've seen, because I've written it repeatedly for 1,000 times. So let's go back to the beginning and start again and see whether it works. So lesson 24, I lost my wallet. Alalo kabeti na chakruok. Oyaore. Idhi nade. Ok adhi maber. Nikech alalo kabeti na. Nikech, not like Hey, computer. Nikech alalo kabetina. Oyaore. Idhi nade? Ok adhi maber. Nikech alalo kabetina. Oh, mano rach manade? Ne okwale. Oh, mano rach manade? Ne okwale. Ooyo. Aparo ni ne owuok e ofuka e seche mane aidho taksi. Ooyo. Aparo ni ne owuok e ofuka e seche mane aidho taksi. Be nitiere gimoro amora ma anyalo timoni? Is there anything I can do? Be nitiere gimoro amora ma anyalo timoni? Be inyalo konya kod pesa? Abiro duoko. Be inyalo konya kod pesa? Abiro duoko. Inyalo dwaro pesa marom nade? Inyalo dwaro pesa marom nade? Manyalo romo siling 50 kama. Manyalo romo siling 50 kama. Mano ok tek. Abiro chuli chieng' tich abich. Mano ok tek. Abiro chuli chieng' tich abich. Mano biro bedo maber. Eri maki. Mano biro bedo maber. Eri maki. Koro idhi timo ang'o sani? Koro idhi timo ang'o sani? Adhi nyiewo buge. Bang'e to adhi olo mafuta. Adhi nyiewo buge. Bang'e to adhi olo mafuta. Ka inyalo rito dakika achiel, to anyalo dhi kodi. Ka inyalo rito dakika achiel, to anyalo dhi kodi. Abiro riti. Abiro riti. Giko. So that's the end of it. So I hope this gives you an idea of how to do this thing. And it's even though it looks complex sometimes, it's easy. Okay? And thank you for those who are keeping me company. If you're not keeping me company, where are you? Ka okimiya company. In kanye. Where art thou? Good. So I want to just let me check whether we are live. And if you're live, please. I don't know whether my YouTube is live though. Because that's the other thing. The other thing is this thing takes the thing into private mode. So my YouTube was on private mode. It's only Facebook that is working. So let's get to the next lesson, which is lesson number 25. Phone call at work. phone call at work or simu kar tich. Yeah, the thing is, I don't know what happened to my my streaming service. It makes the videos private, so that's why. So you only lost 25 minutes, 21 minutes of streaming, so that's not a lot. But we just did one lesson. The good thing is that the stream will be available after this. So let's start. The first one says, hi. No, it says hello. The answer is hi. Is this James? Is James there, please? Is James there, please? So the first one says hello. Hello is just hello, like that. Hello. Hello. Bear. Be James nitiere kanyo. Hello. Be James nitiere kanyo. Fred Amoro wacho ni asedonjo kaka pile. Thank you, Fred. Erokamano ahinya kuom yuoro budho. And thank you for always supporting the channel. That is, we don't take it lightly, okay? Hello. Bear. Be James nitiere kanyo. Then it says, yes. Who's calling? And then the caller is called Linda. Hey. En ng'ano magocho? Hey. En ng'ano magocho? Linda. Okay. Fred Amoro is liked the stream. Thank you, Fred. Hey guys, if you are with me, just like the stream, man. Just share this thing. I know it's not a lot to ask. Just share with your friend. Then he says, 1 moment, please. And it says, okay. So 1 moment, please will be Mia dakika achiel. That translates to, please give me a minute, okay? 1 moment, please. Mia dakika achiel. Kamano. Okay. Kamano. Okay? Mia dakika achiel. Kamano. Then guess what? Then James takes the phone and says, hello. So for hello, you just say hello. Hi, James. It's Linda. So that translates to, Ber James. En Linda. Emma Gocho. Be in the translation just so that it brings the context. Ber James. En Linda. Emma Gocho. So Emma Gocho it's Linda calling. Okay? It says, hi Linda, what are you doing now? So for Linda, you will say, Bear Linda. Then what are you doing now? Becomes, itimo ang'o sani? Itimo ang'o sani? The Silver 254 official. thank you for subscribing to the channel. Itimo Ango Sani. What are you doing now? So get what it says. I'm working. I'm working. And I teach. I'm at my workplace. I'm working. Are you busy? Be idich. Atiyo. I'm working and I teach. Be idich. Uh-oh. I was testing out my microphone. Be idich. Then what does he say? He says, yes, it's been really busy here all day. Hey, Nang Abo has liked the stream. Thank you so much for always supporting our channel. Thank you. You've never missed supporting us every day. I wish I had 1,000 people like you. Thank you. So it's been really busy here all day. Hey. Asebedo ka adich mokalo odiochieng mangima. Odiochieng. I have to look for the spelling of odiochieng. Mangima. Odiochieng mangima. Iwuok e tich sa adi. What time do you get off work? Iwuok e tich sa adi. Asebedo ka adich mokalo odiochieng mangima. Iwuok tich e tich sa adi. Iwuok e tich sa adi. So I'll look for it's either odio or odie. Let me go with odiochieng. Okay. Then what does he say? He says 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Then she says, I will call you back after 8:30 p.m. So 8:30 p.m. becomes sa ariyo gi nus otieno. Sa ariyo gi nus otieno. Then she says, abiro gochoni kendo sa ariyo gi nus otieno. Bang. Abiro gochoni kendo bang. That is the back. After. Abiro gochoni kendo bang sa ariyo gi nus otieno. So I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m. And then what does he say? Then he says, okay, talk to you later. He's okay. To you later. That translates to sawa. Sawa is Swahili, but you can say it. You can say sawa. Abiro loso kodi bange. Or you can say kamano. That's okay, can be kamano. Let me remove that. Kamano, abiro loso kodi bange. And what does he say? He say bye-bye. It's oriti masani. Oriti masani. Bye-bye. Oriti masani. So that's a phone conversation, lesson 25. Let's just go through it again. Where is it now? There. So what does it say? It says Simu kar tich. Chakruok. Hello. Ber. Be James nitiere kanyo. Hello. Ber. Be James nitiere kanyo. En ng'ano magocho? En Linda. En ng'ano magocho? En Linda. Mia dakika achiel. Kamano. Mia dakika achiel. Kamano. Hello? Hello? Ber James. En Linda ema gocho. Ber James. En Linda ema gocho. Ber Linda. Itimo ang'o sani? Itimo ang'o sani? Ane tich. Be idich? Be idich? Asebedo ka dich mokalo odiochieng' mangima. Asebedo ka adich mokalo odiochieng' mangima. Iwuok e tich sa adi? Iwuok e tich sa adi? Iwuok e tich sa adi? Sa 2:30 otieno. Abiro gochoni kendo bang' sa 2:30 otieno. Abiro gochoni kendo bang' sa 2:30 otieno. Abiro gochoni kendo bang' sa 2:30 otieno. Kamano. Abiro loso kodi bang'e. Kamano. Abiro loso kodi bang'e. Oriti masani. Oriti masani. Then what does he say? He says, Oriti masani. So that's it. And now let's do one more. Let's do one more. And then we can call it a day. So this is lesson number 26. And that's how I do my lessons. So lesson 26 is a family trip. Family trip can be translated as wuoth mar anyuola. Wuoth mar anyuola. Okay? Wuoth mar anyuola. Chakruok. So what is the first statement becomes David, what have you been up to lately? So someone is asking David, and David responds by saying, I went on a trip with my family last week. So this part you say, David, what have you been up to lately? David, ango en ango ma ise bet ka itimo ndalogi, or ndalo machiegni, lately, just ndalogi, these times, what have you been doing, David? Then David says, Nende adhi e safar kod anyuolana. Nende adhi e safar kod anyuolana. Nende adhi e safar kod anyuolana wik mokalo. Nende adhi kod safar kod anyuolana wik mokalo. And the guy gets surprised. He says, "Really? Where did you go?" Then David says, "We went to Uganda." So he says, "Adier, ne udhi kanye?" Really, where did you go? Adier, ne udhi kanye? Ne wadhi Uganda. We went to Uganda. Ne wadhi Uganda. Okay? Adier, ne udhi kanye? Ne wadhi Uganda. Ne uchopo e pinje mage? Uganda kuro. Uh-oh. I've translated it. Which cities did you visit in Uganda? Ne udhi e pinje mage Uganda kono. Which cities did you visit? Ne udhi e pinje mage Uganda kono. Then now you can list. You can say Kampala, Champala. Then they can say which one else? Entebbe. And a few others. So you will say ne wadhi Kampala, Entebbe kod pinje moko matin. Okay? Ne wadhi Kampala, Entebbe kod pinje moko matin, and a few others kod pinje moko matin. So ne udhi e pinje mage Uganda kono? Ne wadhi Kampala, ne wadhi Entebbe kod pinje moko matin. So you can ask now, which place did you visit? Waterfalls? Be ne urao now waterfall is called what? I forgot the name. Waterfall. Imagine I've forgotten the name. I'll put a dash here because I'll remember it later. Bene urao a waterfall. Now I've forgotten the name. Then the answer would be no. If you know the waterfall, and please just type it in there. I'll fix it right now. No, we did not go there. I would like to go there next time. Oyo ne ok wadhi kanyo. De aher dhi kanyo chieng' machielo. Okay? Then Abasa is asking, did you see any wildlife? Abasa, be ing'eyo waterfall. Do you know what waterfall is? Did you see any wildlife? Be ne uneno le mora mora. Be ne uneno le mora mora. Yes, we saw a lion, a tiger, a buffalo, and a monkey. Oh, buffalo. I don't know how to spell buffalo. Hey, ne waneno sibuor. Tiger is what? Tiger is quach. Quach. Omuga. Kod. Monkey is onger. Yes, we saw. Oh, sorry. Hey, ne waneno sibuor, quach, omuga, kod onger. Okay. Be ne uneno le mora mora? Ne waneno sibuor, quach, omuga, kod onger. So now the next thing would be, I think the best time to visit Uganda is in September, when the rains have subsided. So, aparo ni seche maber. Aparo ni seche maber limo Uganda en dwe mar 9 ka koth oseweyo chwe mang'eny. Aparo ni seche maber limo Uganda en dwe mar 9 ka koth oseweyo chwe mang'eny. So then he says, that's what I've heard. Mano e gima an bende ne awinjo. Mano e gima an bende ne awinjo. That's what I've heard. Okay. And what else does he say? He says, I'm actually watching a video and translating it. Yeah, Oche. Did you see the rivers flowing from Lake Victoria? Be ne uneno aoche machue ma wuok e nam Lolwe? Be ne uneno aoche ma wuok e nam Lolwe? Ne waneno Ndoya. Ndoya is how? Ndoya kod. There is a River Yala and River Nile. Called Nile. I don't know how Nile is called on the other side. Oh my goodness. I have put this thing. This is what should have been down here. Ne waneno Ndoya aora Ndoya kod aora Nile. I don't know. I think Nile has a different name in Uganda. Yes. We saw Yep, that's what I should have put in. Then he should say, I think that's a good conversation. The last thing should be, thank you. You. Erokamano. And then you say, bye. Oriti. And that's the end. So let me go back and we just go through the slides for this. Wuoth mar anyuola. Chakruok. Wuoth mar anyuola. Chakruok. David, en ang'o ma isebet ka itimo ndalogi? En ang'o ma isebet ka itimo ndalogi? Nende adhi e safar kod anyuolana wik ma okalo. Nende adhi e safar kod anyuolana wik ma okalo. Adier, ne udhi kanye? Ne wadhi Uganda. Ne udhi kanye? Ne wadhi Uganda. Ne udhi e pinje mage Uganda kono. Ne udhi e pinje mage Uganda kono. Ne wadhi Kampala, Entebbe, kod pinje moko matin. Ne wadhi Kampala, Entebbe, kod pinje moko matin. Be ne urao a waterfall. Waterfall you will go. So I'm sorry, I'll put it in later. Be ne urao a waterfall. Oyo, ne ok wadhi kanyo. De aher dhi kanyo chieng' machielo. Oyo, ne ok wadhi kanyo. De aher dhi kanyo chieng' machielo. Be ne uneno lee moro amora? Be ne uneno lee moro amora? Ne waneno sibuor, kwach, omuga, kod ong'er. Ne waneno sibuor, kwach, omuga, kod ong'er. Aparo ni seche maber limo Uganda en dwe mar 9 ka koth oseweyo chwe mang'eny. Aparo ni seche maber limo Uganda en dwe mar 9 ka koth oseweyo chwe mang'eny. Mano e gima an bende ne awinjo. Mano e gima an bende ne awinjo. Be ne uneno aoche ma wuok e nam Lolwe? Be ne uneno aoche ma wuok e nam Lolwe? Ne waneno aora Ndoya kod aora Nile. Ne waneno aora Ndoya kod aora Nile. Erokamano oriti. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this today's session, because we are almost coming to the end of the session. And thank you so very much for those who are with me all this time. I will see you again next week. Before we go, can you look at my screen? Oh, before we go, can you look at my screen? Oh, please, please, please. Oh, subscribe. First of all, subscribe. Then join. Click join. You see this join button here? Click this button here, because this is giving you rights to be a member of the channel. So we are looking for members seriously. There are very many membership categories that you can join with. There's this one here, which is $1.99. That is 200 shillings. Bronze. What do you get? You get a loyalty badge next to your name when you comment. Now, there is the next one. Where is it? Oh, the next one is silver. Now, silver is $4.99, or about 500 Kenya shillings. So if you join when you're paying 500 Kenya shillings, we shall give you behind the scene videos, and we shall give you weekly speaking tasks. Then there is gold. Gold is about 1,000 Kenya shillings per month. Then this one gives you one-on-one instructions once a week. So you can be able to just join us one-on-one instructions. And we can always like do a Google Meet, and we can chat, you know, stuff like that. Then you can do that. Then there is platinum. Now platinum is $24.99. That is 2,500 Kenya shillings. Now for the platinum member, wewe ni Mungu. You are like, you'll be sponsoring a lot of stuff with us. We shall be using you as one of the persons that we shall be bouncing ideas on, future ideas and stuff like that. So you'll be able to help us build the channel to the next level. So please go and choose whichever level you want. You can start from gold, where you can only give us 200 bob a month. And then you can go all the way to platinum, where you give us $24.99 a month. And in all this, you're always free to leave at any time that you feel you want to leave. So with those few remarks, I want to wish you all a great day today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Abasa Steve says, thank you for such a great lesson. Much appreciated. Steve, asante sana. Thank you for keeping me company all this time, okay? And guys, you have a great day. And remember, share the link with your friends so that they can also subscribe and learn. We are now averaging about 120 subscribers a week. I want us to move past that to get to about 300 to 400. You see, we already have 429 videos. Surely, they cannot miss something in the 429 videos. Okay? So let's go, guys. Let's go. Thank you very much, Steve. Thank you, Nang Abo, asante sana. Fred Amoro Erokamano Aenya. And all those people who supported us today. Thank you very, very much. And God bless you. And we shall see you. I don't know whether we'll be here tomorrow because there are a few things happening. But we shall try our best. If we are there, you will see us live. And please just join us when you see us live, okay?